Inferable AI is making waves in the AI software space, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, this review will give you everything you need to know. With this being one of the newest AI tools on the market, there are 7 crucial aspects you need to understand before diving in. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what makes Inferable AI stand out and how it can work for you. First off, let me tell you that Inferable AI is built for businesses and individuals looking to leverage machine learning and data analytics in a simple, accessible way. It's an AI tool that promises to remove the complexity behind predictive modeling and make AI insights easy to implement. Now, if you're new to this kind of software, let me break it down. Inferable AI doesn't require you to have a deep understanding of coding. It's all about making powerful predictive models that can forecast trends, customer behavior, and even stock market moves, but with minimal setup on your end. For people who want results quickly, without the need for extensive training, this is a game changer. Another key point is the automation feature. Inferable AI allows you to automate your workflows, which can save you countless hours of manual work. Imagine you're running marketing campaigns, and instead of spending hours trying to figure out which ads will perform best, Inferable AI uses your data to automatically adjust and optimize in real time. That means less guesswork and more efficient use of your resources. What's also impressive is how fast it can process large datasets. You're not waiting hours for insights. With Inferable AI, you can get predictions and actionable insights in minutes, which is critical for businesses that need to act quickly. And let's talk accuracy. Inferable AI uses advanced machine learning models to ensure that predictions are not just fast but reliable. In my experience, the software is one of the more accurate tools available, outperforming many older, more expensive alternatives. Whether you're analyzing customer data or refining your business strategy, this software gives you the precise insights you need to make informed decisions. What really stands out, though, is the user interface. Despite being an advanced tool, Inferable AI is surprisingly intuitive. You don't need to be a data scientist to navigate it. The layout is clean, and the steps to input your data and get predictions are straightforward. If you're used to clunky software or systems that require complex setups, Inferable AI will feel like a breath of fresh air. On top of that, Inferable AI is highly customizable. Whether you're in marketing, finance, or any other data-driven industry, it allows you to tailor the models to your specific needs. You can tweak your parameters to ensure that the software is providing exactly what you need, and it's incredibly adaptable to different scenarios. Lastly, and perhaps one of the most compelling reasons to try it, Inferable AI is offering a free trial through the link in the description below. So, if you've been considering incorporating AI into your business, but weren't sure where to start, this is your opportunity to explore the software with no strings attached. So why should you stick around till the end? Because I'll be sharing my recommended AI software in the description below, software I've tested and compared after going through thousands of options. This could be the best tool you've ever used, but you'll need to see how it stacks up against the competition. In conclusion, Inferable AI is a top contender for businesses seeking a robust, easy-to-use AI solution. Its speed, accuracy, and ease of use make it one of the best just-released AI software tools on the market. And remember, you can try it for free by clicking the first link below. If you want to check out more options, make sure to check out my recommended AI tools in the description. After testing hundreds, these are the ones I'd trust with my own business.